Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. First of all, open up the Chrome app on your phone. After opening the Chrome app, you need to tap on the profile, your profile icon. Now, it will take you to your profile settings. Then, scroll down in your profile settings and tap on your profile. After that, tap on your Gmail account. Then, click on Manage your Google account. Now, it will take you to your account management and go into the It's Security option. After that, scroll down in the Security option and you'll find two-step verification in here. Then, tap on the two-step verification option from here. Now scroll down here and tap on the Get Started button. If you haven't turned off the verification already, then click to get started and turn on the verification first. After that, you can turn it off. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.